Welcome to the channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter with Mad Hatter Bags here. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate y'all. Y'all, today we're gonna do a bag swap. I'm gonna swap out my Louis Vuitton Deauville for my Speedy 35 bandolier, and it's in the azure print. So I just thought it was time to swap out to a lighter color bag for the end of the spring going into summer. And I always love that azure print. It's one of my favorite prints. So we're gonna do a bag swap and see what all fits. But I have a brand new Zoomoni Organizer that I just got. It's gonna be for the Speedy 35 in this really beautiful sky blue color. So I can't wait to see the color of it and show you everything that fits in it. Now, if you don't have an organizer in your bag that you carry, you should really try a Zoomoni. They're really wonderful. They're the best that I've found so far. Really nice felt material, and now they also come in a silky material as well that they make. So they hold a lot of stuff. They have all these different compartments to keep everything structured and organized inside your bag. You'll see as far as the difference between it with the organizer and without it, but I use them in pretty much every one of my bags to store everything and keep everything kind of organized and keep the shape of my bag. So they did give me a code. It is going to be Mad Hatter Bags for 20% off. So definitely check out their website and find the perfect organizer for your bag. And no matter what it is, they have a wide variety for all kind of designer bags. So go ahead and check them out. Zoomoni offers 25 beautiful options of color. Zoomoni will begin making your organizer as soon as you place your order. Pick the color and thickness that you like. The organizer will be custom made just for you and your bag. As you can see, they have all kind of designers. So go ahead and find your perfect one. Use my code MadHatterBags for 20% off. Y'all, let's go ahead and unbox this Zoomoni Organizer here. It did come a couple of days ago, so I can't wait to swap out this Louis Vuitton Speedy 35 and my Deauville and see how it goes. This came in a FedEx box. Let's just unwrap it and I'll show you how it comes from Zoomoni.com. Let's get into this package. Now, I will say this is my second organizer from Zoomoni, and I've got a few off of Amazon that just did not compare, y'all. Zoomoni's is much nicer, and the material, you can tell, is just made better. Their shipping is super fast as well, so let's get it out here and see what we've got here. Okay, it comes like this, and like I said, it came in about maybe 4 or 5 days, y'all, so really fast shipping. Let's get into it here. I can't wait to see this beautiful sky blue color that it comes in. And of course, I love my Speedy 35, so that was the perfect bag to change into for the spring and summer. All right, y'all, in here, it comes in this little box here. And there is the organizer down in the box there. Let's pop it out and see what we have. But their packaging is really nice too, so you really feel special when you get a Zoomoni organizer for your bag. And it makes your bag just stand out a little bit more. You're gonna love your bag even more. So it has the Zoomoni sticker and everything on it, and it's wrapped in plastic. They give you a thank you card down in there as well. And you can also order these extras as well. They have a list of everything. When you order your bag organizer, it'll be a list of different options and stuff for extra stuff that you can get to add along if you need some more spaces to put your stuff in. So they're really nice. All right, let's get into it and open this up and see what all we've got here, and let's swap out these bags. All right, opening up the package here. Let's slide it out. Ooh, there's my thank you card. Thank you, Zoomoni. And there's the extra stuff in there, as you can see. I love this beautiful sky blue color. It's gonna go perfect in that azure bag. These are some little pink organizer cubes here we could use in there as well. And then there is some like a purple color as well. So very nice. And then they also give you these little card holders too sometimes that you can get. So those are just some of the little extras you can get from Zoomoni, okay? All right, y'all, let me just show you this organizer real quick. So as you can see, it's a really nice felt material, and it just feels really good. It's got all these different compartments. This is the type A for the 35 centimeter Speedy, and it's gonna fit perfect in there. I just know it. It does have the little Zoomoni tag in there. So just a cute little bag organizer, and it's really gonna help my bag out. So let's get into this Speedy 35 and out of this Deauville. All right, y'all, so we're gonna swap out this Deauville bag here. I just recently got this bag and I love it, but I just think it's time to get into a lighter color bag for a little while. So I'm gonna swap that one out for a little while. And let's go ahead and put that organizer in and swap everything out. Now this bag has a lot of stuff in it. Let's show you here what's all in it. And we're gonna try to get everything in there. This is a pretty big bag, so hopefully we can fit everything in our Speedy 35. And I've got all kind of stuff down in there that I carry with me to work back and forth. So let's go ahead and put our organizer inside the Speedy 35. Here is the Speedy 35 in that azure print. I just love it too. And it's a pretty nice size bag. But let's put our organizer in and we'll see how we do. Okay, and there is the interior of my Speedy 35. This is a pretty good bag. I've had it for a while. Now this will just slide right down inside the Speedy. So you just kind of fold it and it will seat right down in the bottom of it here very easily. Okay, and as you can see, it will give your bag such a nice shape to it once it gets seated down in the bottom. And that beautiful blue looks beautiful with that azure print on the outside, y'all. Let's see what all we can get inside the Speedy 35 from this Deauville. All right, y'all, so first let's get everything out of the Deauville real quick. It's a lot of stuff down in here. I'm just gonna take out some of the main stuff here and we'll get everything out. And you can see everything I carry in my bag here. I've got a lot of stuff. Okay. Key organizer, cologne. You don't realize how much sometimes you have in your bag until you start taking everything out of it, but everything is essential or I wouldn't have it in here because I use all of it. But let's get it all out here and empty this Deauville out. All right, so the Deauville is emptied out, y'all. We've got her. Let's put her up. All right, bye Deauville, and let's get our Speedy 35 here, and let's see what all we can get down in our new blue organizer here. All right, so we've got plenty of room in there, and as you can see, the little cargo areas down in there with the Zoomoni Organizer. So let's see what we can get and see if we can get all this stuff in here. I'll just kind of go over everything so you can see everything that I have as I'm putting it in, okay? All right, y'all, so of course I have some flushable wipes here. We're gonna put those down kind of in the side here. And there is my Louis Vuitton wallet. We're gonna put that down there, one of my favorites. And then I have my little key holder there. I love this key holder, it's beautiful. Just got that a little while ago with the Murakami drop. Okay, and it's gonna go, I'm gonna put that in this little organizer here on the side here. So that'll fit right down in there because I don't really take it out much. Then I have my organizer, my pocket organizer, and my monogram with all my cards and stuff in it for paying for stuff. That will go right there beside the little key holder in that little slot. So you've got all that in one little slot to organize that. Now I have a couple of pair of glasses because I do wear glasses. Let's put those in the opposite side here in this little kind of bottle holder area. They fit perfect in there and it will go right side up. Both pair, my sunglasses and my regular glasses, will fit right in there. So let's try that. And they fit perfect side by side in there, as you can see. So that's the perfect area for glasses if you wear glasses. Now I have a little glasses cleaning kit in here. This is my little Kurigami I have, the little medium sized one, and I just put that right down in there too. And it will go right beside my wallet there. So we still have plenty of room in here, y'all. Gotta have some gum. That will go in a little side pocket there on the side here. I always have bathroom spray with me. So we'll put that in the other side pocket. Okay, and then of course I carry my little manicure set here from 7-Eleven Luxury. It's a really nice little kit they gave me one time when I got a bag from them. And we can put that on the opposite side in one of these little pockets. It'll go perfect down in there. And all these little pockets, y'all, are just so convenient, okay? There's some eye drops. I have allergies sometimes, so we'll put that in another pocket here. Got plenty of space. This right here is a little wireless phone charger. It's really nice because it has a little stand on it. You can magnetically put your phone on it and then just charge your phone on the go. We'll just drop that down in there. Gotta have some moisturizer. That will fit right beside my little manicure set. Hand sanitizer. I love this hand sanitizer, y'all. It smells like sunshine and lemons. It smells so good. Let's see where we can put that. I'll put that down beside my eye drops here. So there's all my little sprays and stuff down there, as you can see. And then I do have an Apple Watch charger and little dock here for my Apple Watch. Let's put that, let's see, where can we put it? We'll put it right beside the spray there on the other side, and it fits down in there too. So you got plenty of space. My AirPods, I'm just gonna tuck down beside my hand sanitizer. And then I have one of my favorite Prada colognes. So there is plenty of space still in this bag to put a whole lot of stuff. So just love the organizer. And let's see how this bag looks now that everything is in it. All right, y'all, there is my Speedy 35 Azure. I just love it, and it feels so good with this organizer in it. Really holds its shape good. So I'm really excited to carry this. And thank you, Zoomoni, for sending me this organizer, y'all. It's perfect, and I love the blue color. So it holds all of my stuff down in there. As you can see, plenty of space to store more as well. So thank you, Zoomoni. Y'all definitely check out Zoomoni's website, zoomoni.com, and use my code madhatterbags for 20% off there and get you an organizer as well. I think you'll really be happy with it. All right, y'all, before I go, let's dress this bag up just a little bit. All right, y'all, here is the Speedy. She's all dressed up. I've got my gold chain on it that I got from Amazon that I just love. Thank you, Ed Braun, for turning me on to that. And I have my luggage tag that I've got recently, this little customized luggage tag. I simply love it too. It's got my channel logo on it, and it is from airporttag.com. Thank you, Toach Jean, for recommending that. And my little Labubu. So it's so cute, and I'm gonna carry this one for a little while now, y'all. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to check out zoomoni.com and use my code madhatterbags for 20% off at their website. Get you a really nice bag organizer too. Y'all, if you haven't subscribed to Mad Hatter Bags yet, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're here. Don't forget to hit the bell notification as well. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I do post high quality images of everything I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check that out. Y'all, if everybody could just stop and give this video a like before you leave, I do appreciate y'all, and I'll see everybody on my next review. Bye.